everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. This is single crochet stitch from back loop. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, tie yarn, make a slip knot. Take hook and yarn with these fingers. Take hook, take yarn. Yarn over, make one chain. Make one chain. Continue to chaining. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make one more chain for start to crochet. Skip this stitch, go to this chain, yarn over, make a loop, yarn over, pull through. Make one chain, turn it, we have 2 yarns in here, top of a stitch like this, 1, 2. This is front loops. I show this is front loops, this is back loops. In normal single crochet stitch we crochet like this. Take these 2 yarns on hook and make a loop and make one single crochet stitch like this. Take this loops, take 2 yarn, like this. In here, in second row, I made one chain. Take these back loops, unhook, yarn over, pull up yarn, make a loop, yarn over, make one single crochet. Make one single crochet from back loop. Take back loop. And make one single crochet. From back loop. Take back loop on your hook, make one single crochet. In last stitch, take back loop, pull up yarn, pull through, make a chain, turn it, and continue from back loop in from first stitch. We have 2 yarns in here. Take back loop on your hook and make single crochet stitches. Make a chain, turn it, continue from back loop. This is single crochet stitch from back loop.